Peace and love, family. Over here in Malawi, small little town called Mangochi. This is the third largest lake, I believe, in Africa. Just listening to the sound. More life, more love, you know? Miss you guys. Sending you peace and blessings. Stay rising up against the distortion, disruption of the systems in place. Create your own so you can live in harmony, peace, and balance. More love. Alright, so wash day part 2. Me and the Empress getting ready. Hop in the lake.
Okay, so I want to bring you guys part 2 of our wash day. I'm probably actually bought so for all of this, but hey.
Wow, you look
I
fine.
wanted to bring you guys part 2 of our wash day because we've had so many questions and inquiries about like hair care, hair growth. Yeah, hair care, hair growth.
How we get our hair so long?
Yeah, all of that good stuff. Yeah, hair growth. What else? And we'll probably do like a little mini update on like when our vibes, you know, here and there.
So we just finished washing. Now it's time to deep condition.
Yeah. So we got our homemade deep conditioner here.
Yeah.
Jar.
What is it made out of, huh?
So in this little jar of very slippery stuff, we've got in here bananas,
eggs, avocado, natural things.
Yeah, so some natural ingredients, a little bit of oil, just to help to moisturize and strengthen, add some protein to the hair, and also it does promote hair growth as well.
Homemade products are always the best. So if you can, make your own. You separate your hair into however many.
Alright, so Marlon went for a swim, so in that time, because the sun is so hot, my hair's dried, so I have to re-wet it, just to make sure that I can actually comb it out. So generally I take my hair into some sections, some medium sections, and I just lather my conditioner into it, and then I just comb it out very gently and so yeah, I try and be as gentle as possible. As I said, the deep conditioner has quite a lot of slip rather, so it helps as well with the kind of detangling process. One doesn't have to worry about it.
I just do 4. I just do 1, 2, 3, 4. I try to make it as simple as possible because it's a lot. Anyway. I don't have to worry about any breakage or anything because I have locks, so all the breakage stays in my hair. So that's why my hair is longer than hers.
don't forget to focus on your ends, the oldest part of the hair. So it's really, really important to get moisture into it. Once I've finished, I usually just wrap it up like so. Boom. And that's about it. So we're gonna move on to my other section.
That's 5 minutes from pouring. Still at it, guys.
Yeah, so we're still working through our sections. This is my second to last section. So again, I take my mixture and I just lather it into my hair, and you will see already that it starts to like add in moisture to the hair, and I just give my hair a little comb. I always try and do roots to ends, not roots to ends, ends to roots, but it don't always work, but I try to get all my knots out. Once I'm knot free, I usually just twist my hair down. So I feel like my knots really be up here, so this is why I really don't, ends to roots don't always work for me, because I need to like comb my knots to about where they stop. This is how I do it. I comb them to about where they stop, boom, and then I start to work from the bottom up to get them out.
So the thing I love about this stuff is avocado, eggs, and bananas. Even though it gets all over my hair, I'm gonna wash it out anyway. But it makes my locks really soft, and it makes it feel like it's adding protein, moisture, health, you know? Because I don't want my locks to be all dry, especially since I spent so much time in the water. I gotta add that oil back in somehow.
And this is definitely the way to do it, guys. I used to be a product junkie, so someone who'd buy lots of products, but now I found that just taking time to make your own products is probably the best way to really look after your hair, especially when it comes to like growth. If you really are looking for growth and health, I think one of the best ways to do that is to start to use more natural products in your hair. Like, we really don't need to buy conditioner with all of those different ingredients that most of us can't pronounce, when you can make such a simple, hydrating and effective conditioner from natural fruits, man. So I'm on the last section of my hair. I'm having to rehydrate it a bit. So you want your hair to be wet when you're doing this, essentially. The sun is quite hot out here, so because I didn't do it immediately, it's gotten a little bit, the hair is dried a little bit, so added just a little bit more water to it, and then, as I said, this mixture's got quite a lot of slip. It's quite wet, so it really helps with the detangling process.
bag on my head again.
I'm gonna add my shower cap.